Tell me about yourself. Hello, good morning. My name is. I am 21 years old. I am married. I am single. I am in a relationship. I am engaged. I have a son. I have 2 children. I like playing soccer. I like going to the cinema. I like reading. Tell me your studies. I have a diesel engines maintenance course. I have a SolidWorks course. I have a high school diploma. I have a first aid course. I have a welding course. I have a virtual electricity course. I have a Zika impermeability course. I have an auto body collision repair course. I am a SENA computers maintenance course. I am an industrial mechanics technician. I am a SENA electromechanic technologist. Now tell me your work experience. I have worked as a messenger for an important company. I have worked as a truck driver. I have worked as a metal mechanic assistant. I have worked as a welding assistant. I have worked as an industrial maintenance assistant. I have worked on construction. I have worked on electricity maintenance. I have worked on messages service. I was a bar manager. Now tell me your qualities. I am a responsible person. I am an honest person. I am a hard-working person. I am a serious person. I am an organized person. I am a cheerful person. I learn very fast. I arrive on time. Now, why do you want to work? I want to work because I have expenses with my son. I need money. I want to provide the best future to my children. I want to be independent. I want to have more experience. I want to help my parents. I want to work on my profession. I want to improve my lifestyle. And I want a better life quality. All right, thank you.